In today's tutorial, tikuda kuita the differentiation of complex algebraic expressions. So let us start with number 1. Saka y is equal to 3x plus 5 to the power 4. Question yet find dy dx. Saka panapa, before we get into it, tofanga kuziva kuti if y is equal to a x plus b to the power n, then dy dx inenge iri equal to n ax plus b to the power n minus 1 times a. Saka zviri kuitika panapa, power yedu inodona yoya kunoka yobva yati ax plus b to the power, then of course we have to subtract 1 from the power, then we multiply a. But it's also important to take note a inoi inner derivative, and by inner derivative to have a derivative of the expression which is inside the brackets. So that is what we are going to do. Of course we cannot afford tangata expand 3x plus 5 everything to the power 4 to check the derivative, even though for the first example I want to do it but using Pascal's triangle. Saka panapa dy dx inenge iri equal to 4 3x plus 5 to the power 4 minus 1, that is 3, multiplying the derivative of the bracket the 3. Korota our final answer panapa the 12 3x plus 5 to the power 3, like that. Let us ngatite mskanzwa wekuda kuzama kutanga tai expanda tozo differentiator. Saka toda shansa Pascal's triangle 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1. Kureva kuti kana tina a plus b to the power 4 inenge iri equal to, of course chatangana a to the power 4 and it torati plus 4a to the power 3 b toti plus 6a squared b squared plus 4 a b cubed, then plus b to the power 4. So from our example yedu ndiyani. Saka example yedu panapa kana kuti question yedu ina 3x plus 5 to the power 4, kureva kuti a iri equal to 3 anditika apa ingafunga wa ax up. Okay, a plus b to the power 4, so 8. Saka tiri kuti a iri equal to 3x and b iri equal to 5. Saka tiri kuti 3x to the 4 plus 4 multiplying 3x cubed multiplying 5 plus 6 multiplying 3x squared 5 squared plus 4 multiplying 3x 5 cubed plus then panapa it's 5 to the 4. So I'm going to even tichishandisa in this case Pascal's triangle, we could have used any of the binomial theorems, be it the universal expansion theorem kana kuti kushandisa binomial theorem. As we learned it, we still cannot find a plus b to the 4, which is 3x plus 5 to the 4 chance expansion, then we differentiate. So I did that to exemplify how difficult it's going to be kana tikasaziva that general formatting yatanyora panapa. Saka our final answer is 12 3x plus 5 to the power 3. Let us go to number 2. For our number 2, kwanza if y is equal to 4x cubed plus 5x raised to the 6, find dy dx. saka pano dy dx inge equal to, still we have to remember if y is equal to ax plus b to the power n, dy dx is equal to n ax plus b to the n minus 1 multiplying the inner derivative, which is a. Saka panapa tiri kuti 6 4x cubed plus 5x, then 6 minus 1 to 5 times our inner derivative anenge ari 12x squared plus 5. And remember, inner derivative tichafanwa kuzoimultiply na n, so it's best tikaisa brackets. So this is equal to 6 and multiplying bracket rina 12x squared plus 5 multiplying bracket ra 4x cubed plus 5x to the 5. This is equal to, what is 6 times 12? Saka 12 times 6, that's 12 panapa 6, so it's 72. Saka panapa tina 72x squared plus, then of course 6 times 5 into 30. And this now, and it should multiply this, saka toisa futi bracket twatadai 4x cubed plus 5x to the 5. This is going to be our final answer. Saka pakakosha kurangarira pa inner derivative panapa. That is it. Let us go to the next. For our number 3, tells what the function of x is equal to the square root of 2 minus 3x. F prime of x zvinongoreva kuti the first derivative cannot dy dx. So what is it equal to? But before we get even there, let us re-express the function of x as 2 minus 3x to the power half. Kureva kuti tichishandisa this y are equal to ax plus b to the n, saka dy dx are equal to n ax plus b n minus 1 times a. Tishandisa that principle panapa teta kuti f prime of x is equal to half of what? 2 minus 3x, then half e minus 1 togona kuiti minus 2 over 2 multiplying inner derivative, which is obviously minus 3. Saka answer yedu panapa ndi minus 3 over 2 minus 3x raised to the power minus half. Yamunogona kunyora makati minus 3 over 2, then move madaiso 2 minus 3x. Ndo imwe nzira yamunogona kunyora nayo, oro minus 3 over 2, then panapa wamati 2 minus 3x to the half. So that is how you put down your answer. Do maitirwa zvinoitwa, it's quite easy. If you have questions and you want to ask us directly, WhatsApp us on this number. Otherwise in Zimbabwe it's just 0715213310. Thank you and take care.